Hey, freaky friends. Well, I'm doing something a little different. I've seen these things where they poked spaghetti in hot dogs, and they made these little part weenie things with spaghetti sticking out. So I took it one step further and freakier because I'm into ammonites and heteromorphs and freaky squid-like stuff. So take a look at the squid dogs I made. Hey, I tell you, they're pretty freaky. You ready? Look at that, eh? See how they're even moving, eh? He's swimming as we're speaking, eh? Don't try that at home, kids. Look at that, eh? Squid dogs. Every kid loves squid dogs, eh? Now, isn't that freaky like me?